Ngothandeka is the song. Bazuzwa ngothandeka. Okay. Bazuzwa ngothandeka.
So someone wrote a song called...
Someone did a song called Bazuzwa ngothandeka.
Yeah? Someone released a song on Spotify called
Bazuzwa ngothandeka.
Wow. Can you imagine?
Oh, it's called Triangulation. What is it called? Oh, it's called Triangulation.
I still don't know what triangulation means.
Can anyone tell us what triangulation means in the comment section, guys? Please tell us.
The scroller doesn't work properly.
I need to invest in one. God, I need a scroller. I need all of my scrollers. I've got one though. No, but actually no. I've got one.
Haibo. Thandeka for the millions.
That's one.
Thandeka's Triangulation.
Jeez.
Hey, man. Is it Zandi's soul music, ne?
Thandeka for the millions.
Are you serious, bro?
Live, dog. They made records.
There's a Zandi soul and then there's Mojali for Africa. Which one is it?
That's crazy.
It's a madness, bro.
Anyway, so you don't need this.
It seems like Umele he's enjoying the outside world, guys. He's busy. Even today he had an interview. Yesterday when he went live, he was surprised that there were more than 1.5 people were following him. He was like, wow, this is the first time. Back in then when I went to live, there were just 82 people that were following me, and I was just like, no, maybe this is not for me. Right now he's currently busy fixing his life. He said he wants to start posting on his YouTube channel, guys. And I saw a few ladies were saying that they are tagging brands so they can work with Mele, guys. So there's a lot of opportunity for Mele, guys. Even though he didn't win the 2 million rand, people are saying, oh, good, say they've seen him. He seems like he's a. Seems like a lot of people are changing their mind when it comes to Mele, guys. The people are saying, oh, good, no, actually, Mele is not a bad guy, guys. So we wish him nothing all the best. You know, the world is beautiful, guys. The world is pregnant with possibilities. As long as you work on yourself, you give yourself a second chance. Everybody deserves a second chance. No one is perfect. Whatever happened in that house, we forgive and forget. There are people that are saying, oh good, so they wanted to not vote for Thandeka, but when they look at Mele, the way he's talking about Thandeka, it seems like these two have a great future, so they do want to vote Thandeka, guys. So there's a lot of things when it comes to social media. At the end of the day, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe to like, comment. Happy